Hey, 8th graders, what's up? This is my favorite problem of the day, right here, that I give all year long. Favorite problem of the day. Any kindergartner can do this problem. See if you can do what a kindergartner can do. All right, so looking at this problem of the day. It's a trick problem. It's super easy. And notice I have a plus sign in here. We have different bases, but none of that matters. Because we know anything to the 0 power is not 0. It's not 74. It's 1, right? This one too. 189 to the 0 power is 1. So this problem is really 1 plus 1. Which is, the answer is 2. Not 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. So yeah, I gave you 1 plus 1 for an 8th grade math problem. See how many of you got it right. Okay, so this is going to kind of help us today with the problems we're doing actually. So we're going to mix in some 0 exponents into some other problems, okay? So we did 0 exponents, but we just kind of did them by themselves. So let's take a look at some that are mixed in with other math problems. So say we had 3 to the 5th times 3 to the 0. There's a couple ways to go about this problem. I could say, oh, anything to the 0 power is 1. Then I have 3 to the 5th times 1, which is just 3 to the 5th, right? So there's one way to do it. Anything times 1 is the number itself. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 to the 5th times 1 is 3 to the 5th. So that's one way to do it. Now what you don't want to do is do 5 plus 1 is 6. That's the mistake people make. The exponent doesn't turn into 1. The whole thing turns into 1. So we got to be really careful with that. If you wanted to add the exponents, you would just do 5 plus 0, which is 3 to the 5th, right? Got the same answer either way. It's up to you how you want to do those problems, right? So what if I said 4 to the 7th times 4 to the 0 times 37 to the 0 times 84 to the 0, right? Looks like a difficult problem. These 0 exponents are actually easy if you think, all right? I can't add these together. They all have different bases. What I can do is turn them all into 1. And what's 1 times 1 times 1? It's not 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, right? You just get 1. So this is 4 to the 7th times 1, or it's just 4 to the 7th, right? So all these kind of, because you're multiplying them, they all just kind of eliminate. They all just kind of go away. 4 to the 7th times 1 is 4 to the 7th. No matter how many times you multiply it by 1, it still stays 4 to the 7th. So kind of a short lesson today, and a little bit of a tricky one, but there is ways to do it. One more to look at. We'll say 5 to the 3rd times 17 to the 0. Now these don't have the same base, so I can't say 3 plus 0, can I? But I can change this to 1. And it's not 17 to the 1, it's just 1, right? 5 to the 3 times 1 is just 5 to the 3. And if I'm simplifying it, I'm done. All right, that's it for today. You guys have a great one. Take care.